Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike from Guildford Custom, based here at the world famous Guildford Harley-Davidson. Today to bring you another one of our custom bike walkarounds. This bike, the Annie Softail Slim. 12,000 miles on this bike now from our good friend Steve, and it was time for a little revamp and rebuild. We say revamp and rebuild, literally, again, through the book at this one, absolutely everything's been changed. First thing I want to talk about though is this motor. So, 110-inch Screaming Eagle motor, 1800cc, rocking a fueling 575 cam, absolute monster. Big motors need big brakes. Arlen Ness 6-pot calipers front and rear with Moto Master discs. This bike has literally been stripped front to back. Let's start with the wheels. So the original wheels, matte black powder coated, and then the matching olive green hubs, brand new gloss black spokes. Blacked out the whole front end in a matte finish this time. The original Slim S came with a gloss black front end. Done the headlight in green, matte black the risers and the Hollywood handlebars. Also the console, we have the Harley-Davidson diamond black billet fuel cap and fuel gauge. Really cool tail tidy kit as well, keeps everything clean and tidy. You can see a docking kit here. This is some detachable leather saddlebags, and then we've got the detachable luggage rack as well, because Steve likes to do a bit of travelling. Mustang solo seat, custom paint by Image Design Custom. Also S&S teardrop air filter, bit of a favourite of mine that one, and Super Trap 2-in-1 exhaust. So this whole bike was built in-house at Guildford Custom, based here at Guildford Harley. Motor sounds absolutely amazing. In fact, let me fire it up for you. Plenty of billet on this motorcycle, from the shift linkages to the shifter arms, brake pedal, and then just nice little touches. Black engine bolt kit, for example. Takes a while to do, probably wouldn't notice it at the beginning, but once you look deeper and deeper into the bike, you start to see all these little touches. You've got your black perfect pushrod kit with black pushrod collars, and then to add that vintage style to the bike, you've got a lovely set of Shinko vintage style tyres. I'm excited to take this one for a ride. Yeah, let's go.